there guys, I just want to clarify with you the special that we are going to see come out on the 4th of March. So on Wednesday, set your clock for non-daylight savings time on the Eastern board. It's for us 9 o'clock, otherwise daylight savings times it's 10 a.m. This limited time offer is going to come out. So you can pick this up here. It's actually worth $125 and you get these 5 items. Now these are limited edition. You can't actually buy this one here, and I absolutely love this trio. So this trio in here has your balance. I've been wanting this for so long, like I feel like I helped bring this to production just from my manifesting it. Has your balance in a touch roller, so you can just roll that on and go. It has your lavender piece in a touch roller. So we use this at night down the spine, give it a little massage onto the soles of the feet to calm things down. Balance a love behind the ears, also the soles of the feet to get started in the day. Like keep these beside your bed and just use them. And then Helichrysum. Helichrysum is actually really good for the skin. It's in one of the ones that is super expensive. Like this guy by himself is actually around $125. So it makes a lot of sense to pick this up as it is. We've used it with my daughter's sprained ankle to help with the pain, and I've used it with, my husband has like a rosacea spot to help with that. So these are pretty cool, very good for skin. I've used it before for when I've sliced my finger open pretty badly because it's known as liquid stitches. So you get those 3. So I keep the Helichrysum actually in our first aid, one of them. And then you'll also pick up your Motivate, and you'll also pick up your Ice Blue Rub. So your Ice Blue Rub is for all the aches and pains through your shoulders, if you've just done a big gym workout, or if you just suffer, especially when it comes into change of season, when it's a bit cooler and all your joints ache a little bit. Very, very effective. And then Motivate is good when you've got to go get stuff done and you're not feeling it. Pop it behind the ears, breathe it in, put it on your wrists, and you'll be firing. So there's those. Remember that you can also pick up the 200 PV special. So my suggestion would be, I think this is about 78 PV. I would get 1 or 2 of these because you can get up to 5, because this is really good to split up and give as gifts. And then I would add on things like the 10% off item for the month, which is the exfoliating body scrub. And I would also then look at my shampoo and conditioner stock, my body wash, my hand wash, my things I use around the home. So the On Guard concentrate and shampoo and conditioner, toothpaste. Those are where you want to put the bases. So you don't have to buy all oils. You can look at things that are going to help you. The Lifelong Vitality supplements to keep you energized and going and really help with making you feel the best you can be. So if you have any questions, let me know. And remember, this comes out on Wednesday. Get in and get it, because it will be for 2 days. But in saying that, I think this will sell out quick because we don't have these available usually to us. And then you can still pick up your Rosemary, the free product of the month, if you're an existing member. And you can also pick up the 200 PV offer if you want. Anyway, holler if you need a hand. If you want me to help you place your order for you, I'm here. All right, see you guys.